All right, this is activity 4-3 on server DC1. We're just going to browse around where root policy templates and stuff are stored. So this will be a little quick walkthrough here. Let's open our file explorer. If you remember, all group policy and domain related stuff on the Windows domain controllers stored on Windows, C Windows, and then sysvol. And some folders from what's in there. Sysvol, the domain name policies, and then they have these wonderful long GUID names here, which are a lot of fun. Good luck remembering that. This first one here, 6AC1 starting number, is our default domain controller policy. If you come in that folder, we can come on here, double click on that file. It's going to say version 1. So letting us know it's version 1 of that policy. Go to Machine, Microsoft, Windows NT, SecEdit. Come in here, and then now here's all of our settings, which you don't need to know how to make changes in this. This would be nothing that you would ever do. It's just for reference. All right. Now let's go open Active Directory users and computers so we can come to the start menu here and open it, or we can open Server Manager and open it from there, but this is quicker. All right, so we have that open now. We're going to turn on the advanced features so we can see more stuff here. All right, so one of the folders it's turned on by the advanced features is system. So if we would turn off advanced again, system's not there. So system has a lot of subfolders under it here. Go to policies. As you can see, both policies are listed under there. Once again, it's the GUID name, not the name that references in the group policy editor. Let's see, right click on it, go to properties, attribute editor, and that's going to be all your some of the attributes to it, but you can see the name of the policy right here. So one of the things that we can see in there is in the attribute editor is the version number. So if we scroll down here on one of these settings, we'll see a version number. And it is alphabetical, so there it is towards the bottom, version number 1, just like we saw in the text file. So now we're going to go to the group policy editor. Again, we can either do it from the start menu or Windows Administrative Tools, Group Policy Management, or we can open Server Manager, which I have shortcutted on my taskbar here. But as you can see, this takes a little longer to open. A lot longer. Now that that's done, we go to Group Policy Editor, Management. Go to our domain. Slide this over and add a new policy here. Call it test GPO. We're not using a starter for this. Okay, we have our policy. Good. Details, then change it to all disabled. Click yes. Go back to Active Directory users and computers. We will refresh policies folder here. So now we refresh this folder. We have a new item in here starting with 299DA. So if we right click on it, go to Properties, Attribute Editor, we can see it's our test GPO, and the flag on the folder is 3. That means it's disabled. So if we can change that setting here to 0. And if we were to come back over here into Group Policy Management, as you can see, it was ghosted compared to these ones. So let's refresh our folder here. Now we can see it's not ghosted anymore. It shows enabled here. Good details. Now it shows enabled. And that is it for activity 4-3.